everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1959 Chevrolet Corvette killer car, guys. We actually took it in on trade from a super nice guy. He's owned this car for 20 years. Believe it or not, this thing was actually restored, he said, in the 90s. Great car, Roman red and white, red interior. It's got the white convertible top, 283 4-speed car, and really just a neat car. I actually drove it this morning, really hit the road good, shifts out nice, really just a good car. Matter of fact, the first thing he did was, when he seen us posted, is call my son and tell him to raise the price. This car's worth more money than we're asking. But my son told him, man, my dad's here to sell stuff, not collect them. So I do my best to keep this stuff on the money and move them. But really good car. I love the wide whites. It's got the factory hubcaps and steel wheels. It's just a good looking car. And again, this car was restored in the 90s. You can pick at it a little bit, but it's still very, very nice car. Chrome and stainless is really nice. Just a couple little, things that you can pick at going around the car, but really a nice car. Normally with these Vettes, they're kind of ripply, and I don't know if you've seen them. This one's straight. It's a good looking car. Top of these fenders look real good. This is the original trim. Of course, car has been repainted. I wonder if that's a factory glass. I didn't look down to see, but it might be the factory glass, guys. I'll take some pictures with the top down too, but I know guys like to always see the top. Of course, manual top. This is a good looking body style. Look how nice these are. Again, chrome's good. I mean, if you're looking for a nice driver, little touch-up marks, like I say, but this car ought to be a blast. Excuse me. Nathan's going to struggle a little bit. Nathan's 6'4". with size 14 shoes, so this is going to be a tough car for him to drive, guys. We're not even real sure if he's going to fit in it yet. I'm 6'2", and I got in there, but they make a smaller steering wheel for these cars that really gets you a lot more room. If it was something that I was going to drive, I would get that retro style smaller steering wheel, and that gives you a lot more room. I love the wide whites, and those are actually radials on there too. Good looking car. Clean underneath. Look at that, our car's painted in the 90s. Look at that thing. I mean, it is slick. I'll put the codes and everything on it. It looks like it's a era correct 283 cubic inch engine, 4-speed manual trans. You can see it's got the, matter of fact, this is probably the original air cleaner. I'd left that on there. Yeah, you can buy them brand new and it'll look a lot nicer, but I left it on there. It does have a Holley 4-barrel, Corvette finned aluminum valve covers. It's got the Ram's horn exhaust manifolds, factory radiator with a shroud. He said they just went through the brakes. So the brake system's been gone through, and it stops really good. It's shifted out really good. No problems with any of that. Manual, that's how they were. Drove out nice and easy. See that trimming? Again, these are original. It's stuff you can kind of pick. Stuff looks pretty good. Can I get the trunk open? Grab Ed. Grab Ed. It's the round key. Grab Eddie. He'll know how to do it. New door pads. He said they did put new door pads on the car. Obviously, he's got new floor mats. Seats look good. See what I mean about that big steering wheel? It just does not give you a lot of room. If you put the retro steering wheel, it gives you a lot more room. Showing 21,000 on the odometer. I'm sure that's 120. All the gauges were working except for the tach. Wonderbar radio, it did not work. Blower motor and all that stuff worked. Dash looks really good. Sorry guys, a little lock that holds the assembly in there, and the deck lid here, the little clip acted up, so had to fix it real quick. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle, factory old bias-ply spare is in there, which is pretty cool. Jacks in here. Like you say, just a neat little car. Clean underneath. As always, we put multiple photos underneath the cars on our website. We encourage everybody to call us if you can. If you're looking at something at Southern Motors, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, they've also added the seat belts. Of course, you know, these cars actually didn't come with seat belts. Dash is really nice. That is really cool in there. And like I say, I fit in it. Not super easy, but going down the road wasn't too bad. Yeah, it looks like all factory glass to me. Yeah, Nathan's struggling. Again, he's 6'4", the size 14 feet there. Not easy. Key goes in upside down, yep. The choke works. Like you say, shift it out real good. Runs out great. Nice and tight. Hood closes nice, fits up good. That's just a good car right there, man. Somebody's gonna have some fun driving this big old boy in here. Like I say, all the gauges, they're all working. Car's holding good old pressure. Hopefully you can see that. The only thing I couldn't get was a tach. But I'll have the boys check that. See if we can make it work. Those taillights, man, those are super cool. Neat car. Radio did not work. Blower motor does. Wipers, you know, if you know, the Corvette does work. Wipers are probably vacuum operated. I'd have to check. 58. I'm sorry, 59. Again, guys, make sure, I know the horn works in there too. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. This ought to be interesting to see how he can shift this car. His big feet will be getting in the way.